Welcome farmers, yet to another video of cattle farming. This was a private auction held at the Gweru showgrounds. There were all kinds of breeds, well fed and ready to mate bulls. All these bulls were no older than 8 months. This 8-month-old bull was sold for $6,000 and the heifers were going for nothing less than $1,000. The auction floors were pegged with both white and black farmers ready for the bidding wars. This private auction was sponsored by Reed Brahmans. If interested in these kinds of breeds and more, leave a message on the comment section or contact Reed Brahmans on the details being shown on the screen. One of the rarest crossbreeds, the Ngone breed, crossed with the Brahman breed. If you need such breeds, send us a message on any of the contact details provided on the description below so we can connect you to Vincent Brahman, the one with this kind of breed and many other great breeds. You can also produce such quality cattle by following our website www.zimfarmer.co.zw or our Facebook page zimfarmer.co.zw with the links provided on the description below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos.
Uganda Well, we're now $210,000 here now. All done, all through at $210,000. All done, all through at $210,000.
14.